Okay, so this video is to show you guys all the modifications I did to my 2022 Chevy 3500 Work Truck Edition. This one is a crew cab, 8-foot bed Duramax. And we'll go through the modifications. A lot of them came off Amazon. Of course, some are cheap, some cost a few $1,000s. But we'll go through. I know my truck should be nice and washed, but I live in Oregon, and it rains all the time. It's actually spitting right now. So, let me shut the truck off, and we'll start real quick. So, off the bat, from the dealership, I had $1,000 worth of free accessories. So I had the 3500 badging and the Silverado badging on the tailgate switched out to black. I then got the running boards and they installed them for free, and then the windscreens put on. First thing I did was have the windows tinted, all four. I then had the front leveled a little bit, put wheels and tires. Those are 22s on a 33. I've done a full LED swap on the headlights. I've also done switchback lights in the front and the mirrors. The hazards are on right now, so they're blinking yellow. The grill was all black. Some people decide that Chevy to put lights behind it. I added those mirror in there. You can get those off Amazon, roughly around $20-25. It did not come with the fog lights. I installed those. Got those off Amazon, also $95. I then took off the antenna and put the bullet, of course, the American flags on both sides. That's normally where your Z21 or High Country logos would be. This truck did have some options before I picked it up. The guy who did order it and canceled had chrome bumpers put on. He also had the bed liner sprayed. Normally the work truck would come with black bumpers. I did put a black exhaust tip on. I think it went from 5 inches to 7 inches. Also, this badging here would have had the red X, and I can't remember, I think white and black lettering, so I went with the silver and black. I thought about just leaving it off, but I'd already ordered the sticker, so I think it looks pretty cool black. Also back here, the Chevrolet, the tailgate would have just been like inlaid with the word Chevrolet, all white. Again, those I got off Amazon, under $30. They actually make them for Toyota, Ford, and you can even get them in all different colors. You can get them to look like an American flag, all kinds of things. The LED lights I put in, I did not use the last fit everybody does. I installed the resistors. They worked well for me. I'm pretty handy with that, so I saved a little money there. I even put the LED lights in for the license plate. The black drop stinger. Also the toolbox. I think that's everything on the outside. I do work in this truck daily, so I'm not gonna sit here and worry about it being super clean. I did order, of course, seat covers to keep those clean. I did, the upfitter switches did come stock in this truck, although they did not come wired up. They do give you the wiring harness, which you do need to wire up yourself. So I have wired those up. I have some LED lights down there in the bottom. I run off of those. Also, my fog lights run off of that also. I did change out all the speakers throughout to Kenwood's, I believe. There is no aftermarket deck for this truck yet. I'm still waiting for one of those. I also built that custom box there. It has an 8-inch sub in it, 15 watt RMS and 18 max. Again, I do work in this every day. I started with some carbon fiber vinyl in here. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I think I might change it out. Not too happy with it. I also just ordered this black emblem to get rid of the gold here. So we'll be doing that soon. And then also, I need to get the Arctic white paint, and I want to paint the bow tie, the gold bow tie up front. So that is my 2022 Chevy work truck. What do you guys think? Doesn't look like no work truck. Also, this truck was 70 grand, which is a lot of money. But some of the high countries and the Z71s and higher up, the GMC Denali's, they're pushing 100,000 or better. Like I said, I work in the truck. I don't need heated seats and all that fancy crap. It's just more to go wrong. So this has more than I need. It also has the 110 outlets in the truck, also in the bed. The tailgate does come down with a switch of the remote automatically. So it's got some features. It's powerful, nice. I am going to upgrade the cold air intake and maybe do the boost tubes through banks, and possibly a pedal commander, and see if we can get some more power out of her. Okay, guys, have a good one.